Help Scout is one of the leading help desk software options on the market, but before you make the decision to buy, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we'll walk you through 12 essential points you should consider so you can determine if it's the right choice for your business. First off, Help Scout has a straightforward and user-friendly interface, making it easy for teams to get up and running. Unlike some competitors that can overwhelm you with complicated features, Help Scout keeps things simple and focuses on delivering a seamless experience for support teams. Next thing, Help Scout shines with its collaboration features. If you have a team, you'll appreciate how easy it is to share customer interactions, assign tasks, and communicate internally. This makes it an excellent option for businesses where multiple people need to work on tickets simultaneously. The third thing you should consider is Help Scout's email management system. It integrates neatly into your email inbox, allowing your team to handle support requests as they would in a regular email client, which is a huge advantage over platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk that may feel too rigid. Next, Help Scout is known for offering an impressive knowledge base feature, which lets customers find answers on their own, reducing the load on your team. While many competitors like Intercom offer similar self-service options, Help Scout's knowledge base feels more integrated and intuitive. The fifth thing is its reporting and analytics. While not as advanced as some of its competitors, Help Scout offers enough insights to monitor your team's performance and improve your support workflow. However, if you're looking for advanced reporting, this might not be the best fit for you. The sixth thing to mention is its pricing. Help Scout is priced on a per agent basis, making it suitable for small to medium-sized businesses. However, if you're a larger enterprise, its pricing model may become more expensive compared to others like Freshdesk, which offer more scalable plans. The seventh thing you'll want to know is its integrations. Help Scout integrates with over 50 tools, making it versatile for connecting with your CRM, marketing software, and more. But if you're using a niche tool, there's a chance it might not be available in Help Scout's integration library. Next up, Help Scout offers both live chat and phone support, which is crucial for a more personalized customer service experience. But compared to competitors like Zoho Desk, its live chat features are a bit more limited in terms of automation and customization. The ninth thing is the mobile app. Help Scout provides a mobile app that lets you manage tickets on the go, but it's not as feature-rich as some other platforms, such as Zendesk, which offers more robust mobile capabilities. The 10th thing is scalability. Help Scout is ideal for small teams, but may not be the best fit for rapidly growing businesses. If your team is expanding quickly, platforms like Freshdesk or Zendesk could better meet your future needs with more enterprise-grade features. The 11th thing is customer support. Help Scout is known for its stellar support team. Whether you're new to help desk software or need assistance troubleshooting, their team is responsive and helpful. But unlike some other platforms like Zoho Desk, there isn't 24/7 support available. The 12th thing you should know is its strong security features. Help Scout is fully GDPR compliant and offers encryption to protect your data. This is a must for any help desk software, especially if you're handling sensitive customer information, but compared to competitors, Help Scout offers solid, but not cutting-edge security options. So, is Help Scout the right fit for your business? It's a great option for teams looking for simplicity, collaboration features, and a solid knowledge base. However, if you're seeking more advanced reporting, scalability, or automation, you might want to explore other options. But don't worry, if you're looking for a better solution, we've got a recommendation for you. Check out our top pick, which you can try for free.